I just fished this spot, just approached it, fished it from a distance, thought it was 1.5 feet deep. Perfect little run for a big fish to be hiding in. Well, I caught nothing. I was using a small streamer because I forgot to mention I've seen tons of minnow-like fish in here, possibly baby whatevers, darters, yellow-bellied suckers. So I went ahead and decided, didn't catch anything in here, decided to approach it, see if I could see anything at least, anything, spook anything out. Nothing. I don't know where the trout are. I think those people are lying to us. 1920s my ass.